Good evening, sir. I'm Albert J. N. Lagarico, and I will explain and demonstrate to you my character design on Blender. So first, I think about how my character will look first, and I use modeling to scale and shape my character by adding details, features, clothing, and appearance. After that, I use texturing to add color on my character, and next is rigging. It allows me to move my character realistically, and also animation. It allows my character to make it look realistic. And lastly, rendering. I use it to adjust the light and camera of my character.